Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. What we are going to do in one of the playlists is we will be solving lead code questions. So in these questions, I have divided any question into 7 parts, and in each question we'll be dealing with these 7 parts to understand the question and the solution better. So the first thing that comes into mind for any question is that it's very important in any interview as well that we need to understand the question very carefully, what the interview is saying or what the question is asking to us. We should listen to the question very carefully. So in every question we'll do this. The second question is we'll go through a lot of examples to build upon that question understanding, and then try to see any pattern or anything that is evolving out of it. The third thing that we look at is the intuition or any concept behind, or the conceptual concept about the question and the solution that involves in it. Then what we can do is we will always try to come up with a brute force solution. You know that in any interview it's very difficult to come up with an optimized solution, so you should be able to, as a coder or as an interviewee, always be able to come up with a brute force solution. Then following that, we will try to discuss and figure out an optimized solution to that question. We'll see how we'll do this. Then after that, once we have come up with a solution for that, we'll try to discuss the time complexity and space complexity of that question. So in any interview, you will have to do at least this brute force part, some part of the optimized solution, and do this time complexity and space complexity of the solution. Post that, we will do some additional info. If there are any additional info to any question, I'll just add it there. I wanted to add 2 more things here. One is that coding walkthrough. So this will be some pseudocode written in the one of the sheet itself, and we'll try to go through that solution. Post that, we will actually code it on the Leetcode platform. So Leetcode is a great platform to prepare for interview. It's called the Bible for preparing data structure interviews. So yeah, that should be all. And this is how we are going to approach each Leetcode problem in this channel. Thank you.